Listen, winter isn't just cold weather. It's a season that gives you silence, space, and the perfect chance to rebuild your life. When the world slows down, you can grow. When people choose comfort, you can build discipline. When everyone hides from the cold, you can face the heat of your goals. But change doesn't come from motivation. It comes from direction. So here's a clear winter roadmap to transform yourself from the inside out. Step 1. Choose one habit. Not many, just one. A habit that will move your life forward. 20-minute workout, 10 pages of reading, 1 hour skill learning, cold shower, morning walk. Pick one and stay consistent. Because consistency beats intensity every single time. Step 2. Set a daily non-negotiable. Every morning, complete one meaningful task before touching your phone. This builds discipline and sets the tone for your entire day. Step 3. Use winter nights for deep work. Winter nights are calm and distraction-free. Give yourself 1 hour of undivided attention and focus. No phone, no scrolling, just you and your goals. This single hour can reshape your entire year. Step 4. Do a weekly reset. Once a week, reflect. What went well? What held me back? What's the plan for next week? This keeps your growth intentional. Step 5. Track your progress. Write down your daily wins. Seeing your progress builds confidence, and confidence builds momentum. Listen, winter is your chance to rebuild your habits, your mindset, your identity. Most people waste this season doing nothing. But you're not most people. You're someone who knows your hidden potential is waiting to be unlocked. By the time winter ends, you won't just feel different. You'll be different. Don't waste this winter. Fix your life now. Your comeback starts today. And if you're ready to unlock the best version of yourself, follow hidden potential. Because your transformation is just beginning.